Hey guys, so welcome back. Today I'm going to be creating a no makeup or natural makeup look. This video is going to be really detailed and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to be wiping off any dirt that is on my face. Next, I'm going in with my moisturizer just to moisturize my face a bit. And I am going to blend in that moisturizer thoroughly because I want it sitting on my face perfectly. Now I'm going in with a primer. For a long-lasting effect, I'm just going to set my face using a setting mist. Now I'm going in with my foundation. As you can see, I applied just a little bit of it. Remember, it's a no makeup or natural makeup look, so we want to use as little foundation as we can. So now I'm just going in with my concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than I am, and after which I'm just going to blend it out completely. You want to make sure that your concealer is perfectly blended, so just blend, blend, blend. Now I'm just going in with a smaller blending brush. This will help me to blend in the inner corners and also to avoid any cakey effect, and that's why I'm using the smaller brush. To create some shadows, I'm just going to be contouring my face. Now before going in with my setting powder, I'm going to use my normal face powder to set the part of my face that I concealed, just to give it a more natural effect. Now I'm going to just draw my brows. Remember, this is a no makeup or natural makeup look, so you want your brows to be as natural looking as possible. So when drawing your brows, make sure you shade in lightly. If you are using a brow pencil, make sure you shade in lightly. If you are using a brow gel or a brow powder, just make sure you apply it lightly, whatever works for you, but just make sure that when you are applying it lightly, because you want it to look as natural as possible. So now I'm just blending that concealer out using a fluffy brush. I do not want any harsh lines, and so I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder and I'll just blend that out completely. So now I'm just going to go in with my face powder, blend out all the setting powder that's on my face, and also apply some face powder on the other parts of my face. So now we are having too much powdery effect on the face, so we just want to go in with some setting spray just to put it all together. So for our lips, we do not want to go in with anything bold or harsh, so we can just go in with a lip gloss. It could be a colorless lip gloss, and then just smack it. And yay, this is our final look. Definitely something you can rock if you are looking for a no makeup or natural makeup look. Guys, just because I love to go a little extra, I went on to apply my lashes. You can go on to do that if you love being extra just like I do. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do that. Also, give me a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments about what you think about this look. Thank you guys.